You can see on our hail tracker that the hail potential with these storms has now died down as well, which I think all of us can say that we're very excited about that. We did get to see a few heavy downpours earlier today. There were some storms in Kent and Garza counties that brought Lake Allen Henry a little bit of a boost, and you can see 1.54 inches of precipitation. That was within about 30 minutes, so very heavy precipitation within a very short period of time. Last year on this date we hit our 48th day of triple-digit temperatures, which made 2011 the longest string of triple-digit temperatures for a summer. This year only at 24 days of triple-digit temperatures. We have a big event going on tonight. Love for you to come out. Right now, a little bit warm, and that's all because of the high pressure system sitting over the region. First, let's take a look at our weather stick in Lubbock. You can see that, I'm not kidding, 85%. Very muggy morning this morning, and it's going to remain that way throughout most of the day. I mean, this really just shows you the flooding that we are seeing today is similar to this. It's not safe to be driving in this. Your car can get stalled out. We had many reports of people getting stuck in their vehicles yesterday, and I have to point this out because we're having it again today and we want to keep you safe. So just keep that in mind. Turn around, don't drown.
Live from the KMAC Weather Lab, here's meteorologist Heidi Wagner.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to the KMAC Weather Lab. Very eventful weekend. We've gotten a lot of rain, also had a lot of severe weather, so we're going to jump right on in, show you what to expect for this evening, as well as what to expect for the rest of the weekend and into this upcoming week. As you can see, we do have a lot of storms still moving across the region. If you are in the western portions of the South Plains, you are remaining dry for the most part. This green is just backscatter from the radar. The storms, though, are moving to the northeast very slowly, only at about 10 miles per hour, and they're continuing to persist. We do have a significant weather advisory out. That is for Lynn and Garza counties, and you can see that's associated with this storm right here, bringing a good bit of lightning, and because they are moving so slowly, that means you will be seeing some heavy downpours with these showers. They do have a history of bringing some heavy downpours up to an inch in some areas earlier this evening. And you can see that the other reason we have a significant weather advisory is because of the fact there is some hail potential with these storms. No reported hail as of yet, but you can see the hail core. This is our hail tracker, and when you start to see those reds and pink colors, that's when we know there's a little bit of a chance for that. So we're going to keep an eye on it for you. Right now, looks like you're going to remain okay so far. Now, if we move up to the north, you can see much of the storms have started to dissipate, which means that you may see some gusty winds here and there, but for the most part, it looks like it's going to remain just rain and a good bit of lightning. So if you're heading outdoors, watch out, try and stay safe. Another thing to note with the storms that are sitting near Tahoka in Lynn and Garza counties, be prepared for some very gusty winds, 50 to 60 mile per hour winds, similar to what we saw yesterday with these storms as they start to collapse. So just keep that in mind as you're heading out this evening. Otherwise, though, you can see this is all associated with a nice long line of thunderstorms, low pressure system up to our north, and that is what's causing all these showers to pop up. The tail end is just sweeping across the state of Texas and many other states, bringing these showers, and that's going to continue as we head into tomorrow as well. We do have some more rain chances on the way. If you take a look at our futurecast, you can see really accurate. We do have some showers and thunderstorms over Abilene and Childress, but we are missing a few showers in the chunk of it. So remember that. We're going to see these showers stick around for a bit longer this evening through about midnight as we forecasted earlier. Then as we head into the early morning hours, they will start to die out, but models still showing a good bit more rain. You can see that here on and off. By tomorrow afternoon, though, a brief break and then some more showers and thunderstorms on the way. You can see here Abilene region looking like they're going to get a decent amount of rain. Looks like the rain amounts are going to decrease a little bit, but again, still isolated chances of these showers, and that means some heavy downpours in some areas. By Monday, though, for the most part, clearing out. Chance for some showers just in the southern South Plains as the tail end of this frontal boundary clears out of the region. After that, we're going to see high pressure unfortunately take over for many of you who want to head outside. This weekend should be a very nice weekend, but we desperately need the rain. Thankfully, though, we did get a good number of rain totals. First, we're going to take a look at our live weather stations, show you the good bit of rain we got today. Not a lot of weather sticks got the rain, but if you take a look at Rawls, you can see that in Rawls we got 0.28 of an inch of rain today, 79 degrees, so very comfortable outside. Those storms have cleared out of Rawls. Moving over, the most memorable one to note for tonight is Lake Allen Henry, 1.02 inches of rain within about 30-45 minutes. So very exciting news, getting some more rain. take a look at Lubbock. Lubbock was not as lucky today. We got to see a little bit of rain yesterday, but for today remaining at 0, 79 degrees. And as we take a look at our rain totals for the Lubbock metro area as well as Lubbock County, you can see we have rebounded up a little bit this weekend. You can see 10.17 inches in Lubbock, 8.42 at the airport, and then moving over Ransom at 10, Roosevelt 10.18, and Idalou at 11.56. Rest of the county looking a little bit drier, but got about an inch across the region for many of our weather sites. Very exciting news. And your 7-day forecast. 20% chance of those showers and thunderstorms for Sunday, lingering around Monday, but not as good of a chance. And then otherwise just average temperatures, sunny skies. Really can't complain too much. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the KMAC Weather Lab. We have another gorgeous day on the way to start out the first week of July. So I hope you're excited. If we're going to take a look at our sky cam first at the Overton Hotel, show you exactly what's going on across the region. You can see nice clear skies for the most part. That's going to continue again. It's going to be another day just like we saw yesterday. We may see the chance for a few more showers though, which is exciting news. And you can see here on the radar satellite composite, really barely any cloud cover over much of the South Plains. We do have some monsoonal flow moving across New Mexico and some storms over Dallas as well. And we may get to see a few of those showers and thunderstorms as we head into this afternoon. And you can see that here in our futurecast. Conditions will remain dry until we hit about 4 p.m. And then models show these little showers popping up. Now, I think it's a little bit overstated, but we will see the chance for a few sprinkles here and there. So don't be surprised if some raindrops are hitting your windshield as you're driving around this afternoon. Doesn't look like it's going to be a very big event, though. We're not expecting high accumulations with these rain showers, and you can see they continue till about 8 p.m. and then start to clear out of the region. We're going to see cloud cover diminish overnight. Should be a very nice night. So if you want to go out to any of those 4th of July events for today or tomorrow, looking quite nice. And you can see Wednesday also seeing nice conditions. Most of the showers will remain just to the south of us as well as to the west of us. So it's looking like your 4th of July forecast should be a dry one, which I'm sure many of you are excited about because most of you tend to head outside for any sort of 4th of July activities every year. Thursday, we do have that monsoon moisture pushing into parts of the western South Plains. So again, chance for some small showers and thunderstorms, but again, nothing severe, nothing really heavy. We're just looking at light accumulations. Models are showing 88 degrees for today. We're going a bit warmer than that, around 91, but still going to be a similar day to what we saw yesterday. Nice conditions as you head outdoors. And as we head into tomorrow morning, 70 degrees, so it should be a nice start to your 4th of July. And for your 4th of July forecast, 92 degrees for that high temperature. So it's going to be absolutely gorgeous outside, a lot cooler than what we were seeing yesterday. First week of July last year, got to see about 4 triple-digit temperatures throughout the 7 days. So nice to see these cooler temperatures. 70 degrees for Thursday morning, Thursday afternoon, back to 93 degrees. Now, the only other thing to worry about over the next few days is the wind. We do have a bit of it across the region. You can see winds sustained 15 to 25 miles per hour. That means gusts up to 35 miles per hour, which means as you head outside for those barbecues and picnics, maybe keep an eye on all your napkins and plates and things like that. Don't want them blowing away. You can see it continues on Wednesday as well as on Thursday. So some gusty conditions, but otherwise very pleasant forecast on the way. And finally, we're going to take a look at your Stonegate golf forecast. You can see that if you head out today, it may be windy and there's an isolated chance of some showers. But otherwise, looking like a very comfortable day to head outdoors. 76 degrees 9 a.m., 84 at noon, and 91 degrees by 3 p.m. And finally, your 7-day forecast. Temperatures remain in the lower 90s through this upcoming Friday and Saturday, and then we start to move into the middle and upper 90s to start off this upcoming week. But otherwise, just isolated chance of showers today and then breezy conditions on Wednesday and Thursday, and the rest of the week just looks absolutely perfect.